Most people never go for formal Excel training. Someone shows them how to add numbers using AutoSum and then tell them to figure the rest themselves. So they try, stumble, make some mistakes, and finally begin using Excel to do some basic data entry or to make simple reports or tables. They survive, but they remain completely unaware of the real power of Excel that can save them a huge amount of time and improve their efficiency. Today, Excel is a robust and mature software used in homes and businesses everywhere. With hundreds of features, functions, unique tables, charts, data cleanup, analysis, reporting tools to visualize your data, there are umpteen features in Excel. My name is Vinai Prakash. For the past 30 over years, I have been helping companies and individuals make better sense of Excel and exploit its hidden tools and techniques. I have taught people how to use the most commonly used functions like VLOOKUP and the newer XLOOKUP, how to master pivot tables to analyze data, and use the latest dynamic functions and coding features like Python to harness the full power of Python within Excel. With the help of BPP Publications, my new book, Excel Crash Course, teaches you step by step how to learn the basics and pick intermediate and advanced tips, tricks, and techniques to unlock the full potential of this amazing data analysis software. It covers a wide range of topics, including the basics of Excel, formulas, functions, pivot tables, charts, data cleaning using Power Query, data analysis, and Python, as well as Copilot. It will help you analyze and summarize data. Throughout the book, you will learn essential and new features of Microsoft Excel that will improve your productivity and efficiency. Chapter focuses on practical, real-world examples, making it easy to follow and apply what you have learned immediately. This guide will save you time and make Excel work for you. No matter your experience level, it is ideal for everyday Excel users, data analysts, business executives, and managers who want to enhance their productivity and build their capabilities in getting more out of. Use it to gain the knowledge and skills to become proficient in Excel in the field of data preparation, data analysis, data visualization, and use the power of Copilot to gain deeper insights using artificial intelligence. I hope you will find this book informative and useful. Go grab a copy today and begin to master Excel in no time. See you soon.